Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to be looking at area and reviewing what we've learned this year. So first, can you remember how to find area with this rectilinear shape? It's been a while. This is how I solved it. So I broke it up into two different rectangles and then found the area of each of those and added them together. Today, you're going to be calculating the area of a rectangle using number models. Now, here I had a rectilinear shape, right? But we're going to focus in on rectangles. Lots of things to do, so let's get started. Remind ourselves, what is the difference between perimeter and area? Right, so the perimeter is the outside, right? And the area is the inside. We do area multiply, right? Perimeter add. So that is what we have down here. So today we're focusing on the inside of the shape, and you can watch this video if you would like a little refresher. Our lesson focus is just area, and we count the squares, and so we call this square units. If you want to watch this video that's focusing just on area, this brain pop is something you can view. And then this is a reason why we're focusing on this was because on Evaluate, we did not score very well when we saw this question. We did not multiply these, or we did not multiply correctly. Not exactly sure what we were having some issues with, so we're going to go over it today. And hopefully that will help us for next time. So I'm going to go ahead and model my thinking. So here is a rectangle, and I am going to follow these steps to find the area. So the first thing it says to do is to count the number of rows. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I'm going to label that over here, and then it says to count the number of squares in each row. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so this is a 4 by 4 rectangle. So I know my number sentence is going to be 4 times 4. I know 4 times 4 equals 16. And so I've multiplied them together, found out how many, so that means that that's my area. I can even count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And I see that I get the same answer. Now today, because we should know that, right? But today we're going to also use the face strategy to help me answer a question about the area problem. So it says, Peter says the area of this polygon is 20 square units. All right, do you agree with Peter? Why or why not? Well, I got the answer of 16. So is 20 going to be correct? No. So I'm going to make sure I say over here that I disagree with Peter. Now, why do I disagree with Peter? In my work, I multiplied 4 rows times 4 squares in each row, and it equaled 16. Now, why does that mean I disagree with Peter? So this means the answer is 16, not 20, like Peter said. Right? So that's why he's wrong. Right? So I showed my answer. I told you what I did. I multiplied 4 times 4 equals 16, and then explained Peter was wrong because he said 20 and not 16. All right, so that's what I'm going to ask you guys to do. You guys are now going to practice all of these different problems, okay, that are from Evaluate, okay, and then using the face strategy to practice with the area problems. Don't forget to reflect, and then there's all these other ways that you can practice today if you would like some extra work. So here is some games. This is actually what it looks like on Evaluate. You're going to see this again next time, so this would be good practice. And then here is some more of those rectilinear shapes if you want some practice with those. And then, of course, here's IXL, and that's more practice for you as well with any of the area problems. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day, guys. Bye.